Hi guys. I honestly don't know how to start this video. I just feel like I have to say something. I'm tired of being silent. And, I look a mess. I've been crying like all night and all morning. I haven't been able to get my hair done because I was so focused on this thing, but I feel like there's an elephant in the room that I have to address, and I just need to stop being silent. From the bottom of my heart, okay, from the bottom of my heart, I didn't mean to offend so many people. I just felt like I needed to say something.